Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy. Welcome again to another episode on this channel. Today we are looking at COMEX Gold. As you know, COMEX is Commodity Index is the leading US futures and option exchange for metals, a division of the CME group known for trading gold, silver, copper, and aluminum futures, acting as a crucial hub for global price discovery, risk management, and allowing both institutional and individual investors to speculate or hedge metal price movements through most contracts settle financially, not physically. Key functions and products: metal trading, primarily for precious, that is gold, silver, platinum, and base metals, that is copper, aluminum. Metal futures and options are traded here. Price benchmarking. The role is establishing global benchmark prices for metals. Risk management allows producers and consumers to hedge price risk through futures contract. Price speculation enables investors to bet on price direction. Okay, so we have COMEX data here. This is the daily COMEX chart. COMEX Gold completed one of its important time cycles, at the fag end of December 2024, and just before that we saw a significant low on the COMEX Gold, coming in at on 13/11/2024. The low was 2578.10. From there, COMEX Gold has started a new price cycle, and the time cycle started at the end of 2024. Once we cross into the new square, we got backtest on 2nd February 2025. The low was 2804, and from there gold has took off. Okay, so one of the primary angles, that is 1 by 4, we can see COMEX Gold attaining this and hitting the 1 by 1 angle at 2941 odd. Okay, so the high here is 2916 on that date. Okay, high is 2945.4 on 11 February 2025. From there on, we saw sideways action, and then we dropped to the end of February for a low of 2870.40. Again, we went above the 1 by 4 angle, crossing the 1 by 2 angle, hitting the 1 by 1 angle and the inner circle of the square at on 13/9/2025 at the level of 3039.20. Excuse me, just develop a cold in this winter season. Then we got support around the 1 by 2 angle in end of March. Then we went up to cross the 1 by 1 angle, overthrow. We saw an overthrow over it till 2nd April. The high was 3149.50. Then we came down to take support on the 1 by 4 angle on 7th April 2025 at 3011. Now, from this support, we went to the major angle here. Okay, so this is the falling angle coming from the center of gravity of the square. Okay, so this acted as resistance here on 22nd April. The high was 3485.60. So here we came to the center of gravity of the square, that is 50% time and 50% price. So price time squaring happened here. Normal or undershoot the price of the 50% level. We saw that, which was a good opportunity to buy. Gann 50% rule worked here, and then we moved along the 1 by 1 angle, taking support around it, again hitting a third making a triple top at nearly on 13th June 2025 at 3395.90. Again, we dropped to the 50% level, not exact, but just above it. Then we were hitting this all time high, getting resisted here. We saw a good sideways price action and squeeze on the gold price above the 50% level. So this was a good accumulation by players, and then we saw the move up once again with a gap up on 1st September 2025. From there on, gold has gone up and hit the dead zone at, made a double top around here, first on 17th October 2025 at 4307, and next top was on 20th October 2025 at 4358. Then we drop to the cluster levels of this square, making a low on 30th October 2025 at 3983.70. We saw a double bottom or triple bottom here, and then again we took off. So you can see here we are completing the Gann square here around 4500 levels or 4550 odd levels. So this inner circle will give you support for gold, and if we stay above 4550, then it will be good for gold. But if we stay below this, then we may see some sideways and corrective action for the coming year of 2026. So for the coming year, we can say anything above 4550 is positive for gold for the whole year. And if we drop below, then we have major support at coming around at 4325 levels. Okay. So gold needs to stay above this angle, which I will show you. So gold needs to cross this angle. Okay. So at the start of the year, we have the level of 4850. Okay. 4850 for gold. Okay, anything above this, it will start outperforming. Okay, so the first level to watch for the whole year of 2026 is 4771.70. Okay, anything above this, 2026 will gold COMEX gold will continue its bull run. So we have major resistance coming in at 4772 and major support coming at 4329. So in between this, we can see consolidation on COMEX gold. Anything above 4550 is positive. Anything below that, you have to be little cautious. Okay. We have seen a significant run on gold, completing one Gann square. Okay. The major time period to watch in 2026 will be 29th June 2026, and the major target for gold could be 6,300 if the bull run continues and we complete the square for COMEX gold. So that's all from me for this episode. Thank you for joining in. Please visit us again for such updates on Gann analysis on the world markets and the Indian markets also. Thank you. Have a great year ahead at 2026 and be profitable in your trading ventures. Okay. Thank you.